Hello everybody, good morning, and this is Palti. And as you see, such a beautiful view. I'm currently in Navi Mumbai. I stay in Navi Mumbai, so Navi Mumbai is beautiful. That's why I always love Navi Mumbai. It's so beautiful everywhere. It's a different city than the Mumbai, but anyway, because I'm not comparing. Well, today I'm gonna have a word with you guys regarding some tricks tips while riding in rainy season on your bike. And obviously I'm not telling you as a expert or something like that. I'm driving in from Mumbai from last like 8-10 years now, and in that I learned a lot. The only riding only given me a lot of lessons, and somehow those simple things I just would like to share with you guys. So whatever remaining rainy season, because September again will might have some good rain coming in our way, which will help us to ride better. Well, to talk about the first tip slash trick, and it's very simple, as you have must have heard everywhere. A lot of people are suggesting where servicing of your bike. Well, I'm not telling you that you should service your bike regularly and all that. It's very important for sure. But my a little experience with my Charisma ZMR and those kind of bike like Pulsar, ZMRs and all, try to service your bike from an authorized service center just before starting your rainy season. I'm not saying for all 12 months, but it is only for just starting before your rainy season. Because what happened, if you notice, the service center people always tend to tell you something like, boss, ये brake pad आपके खत्म हो रहे हैं, these part are going, it will not work in some time and all like that. And actually this is helpful. So that's what my point is. So just try to service just before rainy season. It will help you. Somehow your bike will fit for rainy season, and you will be like, you will have a peace of mind while riding. You should use this. I don't know. You're seeing this one. Well, I know it's not. People don't believe it, but I think it's extremely helpful while riding in heavy rain. And I'm using it from like year, and it's like helping me like anything. See, imagine, I would just like to give an example. Imagine if you are driving a car and if it's raining very heavily, and then you think of, like, just imagine that instead of wiper your car is having some cloth attached to that, and the cloth is cleaning the glass. What will happen? It will definitely blur down, and it will not, you will not get that kind of good visibility that that you require while riding in rainy season. So I think this is very, it will help you to clean your visor very well. And especially, it's not just heavy rain. So if the rain is just over, and if you see like this, the condition now currently I'm riding, this kind of road is there and the trucks are passing, so that dirt you get on your visor, you can't clean it with your hand or cloth. It will damage your visor very easily. But on that thing, this wiper really help you. It costs 50 rupees. It costs only 50 rupees. You can, it's, I think GS will on the website show you the riding experience. Well, no, what I'm saying, the third thing which is very important is that the adjustments of riding. There are two adjustments I just like to tell. I know I'm not telling you rocket science, but I think sometimes just to remember the basic things will help you ride very safe. The important thing is that the initial throttle, moving from a standstill position, moving from a signal, or moving from a house immediately, and try to use the throttle easily, especially if you have a high power bike. High power bike, I also mean it to the KTMs and Pulsars, not just the super sport or super bikes. But those bikes also will cause you problem if you are not using your throttle properly, and it's extremely essential to use the initial throttle. Secondly, the braking. I think you try to use more of a rear brake. It will help you. Imagine whenever your rear tire is skidding, it's manageable. You can somehow survive, because somehow you will able to adjust. The handle is in your hand, that is not skidding. But when you are using a front brake hard, and if that is skidding, well, it end up lot of mess. So always try to use rear brake maximum. I'm not saying the only thing, only brake, Another thing which is extremely important and which is you might find क्या बोल रहा है भाई ये घुमा रहा है एड़ा है whatever but silly thing. Well, look, what I'm doing now. I will take a right side. So whenever if you are riding in heavy rain, try to follow the right side, right rear tire of a car. If you are riding behind a car like this. So what happens if somehow he fails in something, or somehow he somehow he get into the pothole or any kind of problem or stone or rock or anything, you have that anticipation time to get away with it. That's very very important. So it's silly, but it's very 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 helpful. You try this one like this. If I am following a rickshaw, I'll try to keep it in the center. See, the point is that whenever you are traveling, the driver, any vehicle driver will not, if he sees something, he will not get his vehicle into trouble. So he always survive his side properly, so that he can move ahead.